Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ki Noi Kai School SSA ki Perdana Pok Syatri jangka Meghalaya SSA School Association haka khat pratrip Kuala Lengkot arajar arpuar ki lapan bena ban pelong baik ya ka jingshong kelan mengor bat ka jingte lamayong ha khandai lat hajan ke yeng dor ba thawan berem ha ka arpui trip Kuala Lengkot arajar arpuar nado kapor khat ar baje men sngi hado kapor shi baje no phai sngi bat ha kapor san baje jan miet kin sapun buat ban da ka jing thang mombati Presiden Keseng ba Aristotle Rembai ha kejing ekran bagi la pathai kubor ula ong ba kini kejing penpena jo Keseng ban penlong kini kejing khi kalong kum kajing persya ya kejing le menti jong ka sarkar jela lor kejing dawa jong Keseng ban penrong no ya ki khat ar hajar saus pa san phuai ngon ki Noi Kai School SSA kum ki Noi Kai School sarkar.
As we have already launched a non-cooperation movement since 21st December last year. During this non-cooperation movement, all SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya will not participate or take part in any program organized by the state government, whatever it may comes from any department concerned. So this non-cooperation movement till today is still continuing. So apart from this, we have also launched a letter campaign addressed to the Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and the Honorable Education Minister Lakmin Rumbui to air of grievances as and SSA teachers to release our pending salary. So we have started this letter campaign on 22nd December last year, and it was ended on the 14th January 2022. So after this letter campaign ended, we are getting no response from the government side. So we, the General Executive Committee of the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, unanimously we have taken a decision to move ahead with our agitation program on 21st January 2022. So because of the no response from the government side, it has compelled us to take this decision. Even though we understand, we are concerned of the situation and the restriction because of the COVID-19, but we have to take this decision because there is no response from the government side. So we have decided to go ahead with our agitation, that is a black flag sit-in demonstration and a candlelight vigil at Khandailat, okay, Police Bazaar, in front of the old Meghalaya Legislative Building on 21st January 2022. For this black flag sit-in demonstration and candlelight vigil, we have taken a decision that only 10 members of the Meghalaya SSA School Association will take part, okay? Not all the teachers. We have decided that taking into consideration the restriction at place, okay, in the state due to COVID protocol, we have unanimously taken a decision that only 10 members of the Meghalaya SSA School Association will take part in the black flag sit-in demonstration and also a candlelight vigil on 21st January 2022. Black flag sit-in demonstration is from 12 noon to 1 p.m. okay, and for candlelight vigil is from 5 to 5:30.